Hi, so easy. Umama wakho lo ise-News Cafe yabona nigqoke ithi gqoke iqhiqile gold sigqoke i-diamond and gold asigqoke ama-era bheka lesifebe u-DJ Zinhle yasibona la yanikhombe lesifebe lesifebe esibulele u-AKA nasi la yasibona bathi siza la ngezi-18 July so bizicela size la yasibona lesifebe yasibona lesifebe asibonakali kahle bathi u-DJ Zinhle musikole maseboss you kill AKA wena umsayinela 666 bheka kahle nangu yambo ubulelo AKA lo leSuper Beach le ithi la Witbank asicasheki mara bheka bathi uyaza ngezi-18 now bathi ngezi-18 July bathi uyaza le maseboss ingcolile lelo yami somisi le maseboss le bathi yeza mina ngithi cela bayikhiphe labafake wena mfana wami cela bakhiphe la bafake wena bo bathi le maseboss bathi yeza la Witbank ngezi-18 July masisa simkhahlele simbuzo AKA wambulalelani isivunguvungu masimvunguza lapha endlini simvunguza simtholela uyahlanya uhlanyelani ngoba manje ufaka u-AKA isithombe sakhe ekamereni labo ukuthi bafebe afebe usivunguvungu yena uchithisa u-AKA I understand usivunguvungu uyafeba uyambhora ubheke u-AKA uyomchithisayo ikamenza ingulube yesigaba something like that yabona wena sifebe senza DJ Zinhle asagqoka ama-era yabona sigqokani thina we are the queens asifuni ma-era what is an era you are an era DJ Zinhle you are an era you're a problem child isihlula abazali somntwana ungugaqekile unyama yomsipha uyinja lesifebe somntwana esilengisa amalebe wezinja uzotshela thina emalahleni asicasheki nakuqeda ufuna wenza ama-show emalahleni ufuthi sakhe la DJ Zinhle you are cancelled out of our place yimi engiphethe la emalahleni I'm the queen of the world yimi nokhanya umkhulu nokhanya lo awungiboni kahle ne uzizongibheka yimi ngithengisa ama-weave wasemanzini phasi kwamanzi yimi queen yabona phela phasi isekalala yimi queen yaphasi kwamanzi unokhanya yabo nering yami ne-diamond yabo phasi kwamanzi yimi queen of the world I'm an Islamic from Israel ngumkhulu nokhanya ugobela obonayo wena ubulela u-AKA wamsayina ku-666 wathi uthatha isithombe sakhe wasibeka ekamereni lakhe uthi kufebe ngoba ubongana umuzwa sewuhlelele naye emlethela kithi mos and uzofunani la Witbank emalahleni ngoba thina sicasheki asho thina we can't be employed by you as if you need to be employed by error you are an error ihlula abazali kuphela somntwana esimzondayo simfisela ukufa day and night simthandazela sithi uyofanini ubulelo u-AKA uyinja yomntwana ubulelo u-AKA wena msini wakho 666 weyiqhaza emakhosini ubongana kufebele to the war on the war hayi ngishona so mizibuye la is-18 July nyeza la 18 July azosichazela njengoba i-Witbank ingaqasheki wayefuna wenza ama-show la endaweni yethu e-News Cafe yabo kuhle njani kuhle yabona i-News Cafe yethu le iyangizonikhomba kuhle yabo la kungena abo-Barnabas yabona basivalele la kungena abo-Barnabas la bafake i-red yabo i-red bathi la kungena amakhosi ahlala la yabo mina ngihlala ngaphandle ngidlala nabantwana 7 years hayi yabo ka-7 years ngimuhla la yimi ngithengisa ama-weave laba kasomizwa phasi kwamanzi udilivelwa yimi naye akawazi abuyaphi le abuya kumathikithi babami ungasayidela mathikithi sayidela unkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe who the hell are you wena DJ Zinhle msuna nyu that is shit the most cont what's up.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So this lady who goes by the name of Nokukhanya Kumkanikazi has been doing these videos about DJ Zinhle, you guys. DJ Zinhle is so much unprovoked, you guys, living her life. And Unokukhanya, I don't know if she's intoxicated or not. She claims to be the queen of the underwater, and she claims to know exactly what happened to AKA. And according to her, DJ Zinhle is responsible for AKA's death. She claims that DJ Zinhle is the one who unalived AKA as a sacrifice. She claims that after killing AKA, DJ Zinhle basically gave him away to the underworld, to the 666 gang, you guys, to the Illuminati. That's what she claims. She goes around calling DJ Zinhle is Febe. You guys, DJ Zinhle, I guess, was booked to perform in Emalahleni. She says that there's absolutely no way that DJ Zinhle will be performing at Emalahleni because she is a murderer and she can prove it. She continues calling DJ Zinhle is Febe. Guys, this is just so shocking. Now, people in the comment section were basically coming for her, saying that how could she say these horrible things about DJ Zinhle, because DJ Zinhle is so unproblematic, you guys. And a lot of people were saying that this lady definitely has a mental issue, a mental problem. She definitely sounds like someone who is undiagnosed, probably with bipolar. That's what people were saying in the comments section. And also people were saying that how could DJ Zinhle just let this lady go around speaking so ill of her, ruining her reputation. Basically, they're saying that DJ Zinhle at this point, she needs to do something about this lady. She cannot just go around tarnishing her name, all in the name of free speech. You guys, they were saying that DJ Zinhle has family, she has kids who are going to be seeing this one day. Cairo, DJ Zinhle's daughter, is old enough to come across this video on social media. They were saying that this lady definitely needs to be sued at least or something. I mean, can't the police do something, guys? Can't the police arrest her? That's what people were asking. Can't the police arrest her? Because here's a video of you speaking ill of somebody you don't even know, making these allegations that you have no proof of. Is this a South Africa that supports free speech? Free speech, shouldn't she be using her free speech to do something better with it, like I support like the campaign that are going to benefit women or something, instead of bashing DJ Zinhle? Anyways, you guys, what do you think about this lady? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.